Imagine taking just $20. That's probably less than what you spend on lunch, less than the cost of filling up your car, and definitely less than what you spend on coffee every week or a round of drinks with friends. Now, what if I told you that $20 could help you build a substantial personal fortune? Today, I'm not only going to show you that this is possible, but I'm also going to explain exactly how to do it. We're talking about putting a small amount of money into the single biggest market boom in history, the cryptocurrency revolution. The rise of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is the biggest disruption to the monetary system in over 5,000 years. It's a monumental shift, and so is the opportunity for investors. You may never again see a chance like this in your lifetime, where investing as little as $20 or, even better, $50 could potentially grow into tens of thousands of dollars. Now, are there risks? Absolutely. This is a high-risk market, one of the most volatile and fast-paced corners of the investment world. But as long as you're investing small amounts you won't lose sleep over, the potential rewards can be huge. We're talking about the kind of life-changing gains that make the risk worth considering. If you're even just a little curious about crypto, you can afford to get involved. Sure, there are stories of people who made millions overnight. But let's be real here. Just like with the stock market, if you invest smartly, steadily, and build your portfolio over time, your future wealth could be incredible. I don't know where cryptocurrency prices will be in a year, 5 years, or 10 years, but I do know this. Bitcoin has been on an uptrend since its creation. Of course, there are ups and downs in the market, that's normal. But what I'm confident in is that Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market in general will be much higher in the future. Why? Because powerful economic forces are creating the perfect storm to drive cryptocurrencies through the roof. High national debts, debasing currencies, rising inflation. Bitcoin serves as protection against these forces. It's separate from the traditional financial system and is often referred to as digital gold or a store of value. Now, once you buy Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, there are a few ways to store it securely. One of the safest options is a cold wallet, like a ledger or Trezor, which keeps your funds offline. If you want something more easily accessible, there's the hot wallet option, like MetaMask or Rabi Wallet, which is always online but convenient for daily use. We'll cover the details of each method in another video. Bitcoin is the biggest and most popular cryptocurrency. But if you're looking for more risk and possibly even greater reward, you might want to explore smaller altcoins. Some of these have tremendous growth potential, offering opportunities to make even more money. This is the biggest financial revolution the world has ever seen. And we're still in the early stages. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are just beginning to make their mark. Don't let this moment pass you by. We are still early. If you want to profit and make money from the cryptocurrency revolution, you've come to the right place. Make sure to subscribe and come back for more in-depth information, insights, and details on what I'm personally doing in this bull market. Don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be part of the greatest financial revolution and potentially build life-changing wealth for yourself and your family for generations to come. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.